Hello! Today I'm going to be unboxing the chocolate rabbit baby. So at work last week we had the Christmas meal with all of the retail team, and we did Secret Santa as well, and this is what I received for the Secret Santa, and it's the chocolate rabbit baby with a school hat and school bag. So that is so cute, and I actually haven't got this one, but I was so happy when I opened it and saw that it was one I hadn't got, because of course I have got quite a few creme chocolates, but I haven't got her with a hat and a bag, so I was really happy. So now let's open it. So of the babies that come with hats and school bags, the one I'd already got was the chiffon dog baby with the hat and bag, and that was the only one. Oh, it comes with a storybook as well. I didn't know that. That's so cool. So it's called The Pretty Little Bakery. I'll just quickly show you the pictures and you can pause to read it. That's really cool that even like a little set like this comes with a storybook. I didn't know that. I suppose the twins that come with a little train, they come with storybooks as well. So I remember the one I got from eBay, that was the Japanese version, which was the Maple Cat twins, came with a storybook, but it's in Japanese. That looks cute, they all got their raincoats on. And that's the end. Right, so it's also got a little collection catalogue. And on the box, it's got instructions on how to put the hat and the bag on. So here is creme chocolate, the chocolate rabbit baby. Here's Brooklyn Doughty, and this is the baby that I'd already got it from this range with the hat and bag. And he's got a pink hat and a yellow bag. And creme comes with a blue hat with a yellow strap and a little pink bag. Do they open up? Oh yes, they do. So you could put something very little in there. So I'll now put the bag and hat on creme. Because she's got her big ears, the hat's going to go just behind her ears. Like that. That looks so cute. And we've got the bag. It just goes up like that. It's got to go up over one of her paws and then under the other side. Wow, that's so cute. Oh, I love it so much. They look so adorable together and they look ready to go to nursery. Thank you to my Secret Santa. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.